Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you the second part of the lesson Going to School of Class 4 EVS. In the previous topic, we have learned about the life in big cities, kinds of roads, traffic, vehicles, how people live in the big cities, and its connectivity of roads. Then we have learned the map of India, learned about different states in India, in Assam and Ladakh, how children go to school, the difficulties they face every day while going to school. Now, moving to the second part of the lesson going to school. Our next state is Rajasthan. Look at the map of India. As I've already told you, to make it easy, we have divided into 4 directions. Now we are moving to the northwest where Rajasthan is situated. It is the largest Indian state and 7th largest population with the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert and shares a border with Pakistan. This state is also known as the land of kings. In the city in Rajasthan, you can see all type of vehicles, but the area which is close to the desert or in the desert, they use camel cart. As camel is called the ship of the desert, it can easily walk on the sand and without food and water for many days. In desert, sand all over. It get very hot in the day and nights are cool. So people in such areas use camel cart. बच्चों, क्या आप कभी रेत पर चले हो? अगर नहीं तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि जब हम रेत पर चलते हैं तो रेत पे चलना आसान बात नहीं है. रेत में पैर धंस जाते हैं. रेत पर चलना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. दिन में रेत गर्म और रात में ठंडी रहती है. Camel can walk easily because it has padded feet. It can live without food and water for many days. So children, those who live far, or you can say in the villages, they use camel car to go to school. इस पिक्चर में बच्चे आप क्या देख रहे हैं? आप देख सकते हैं रेत के टीले हैं जिसके ऊपर ऊंट जो है ग्रुप में चल रहे हैं. आपको पता है ग्रुप में चलने को क्या बोलते हैं? जब कैमल्स ग्रुप में चलते हैं तो इसको कारवा बोलते हैं. दे फील सेफ वाइल मूविंग इन द ग्रुप. तो चलिए जानते हैं अब तक आपने क्या सीखा. कमिंग टू द वर्कशीट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ड्रॉ अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ कैमल. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ कैमल एंड कलर इट. नेक्स्ट इज, can you identify this picture? Picture is on your right side. You have to identify and write the name. It's a camel cart. Next is, which animal is called the ship of the desert? Just now in the lesson you have learned a camel is called the ship of the desert, so you will write the name. The last one is, when people travel in a group with their camels, what it is called? You will write Karwa. Coming to the next is Gujarat. You can see the map where Gujarat is located. It is bordered by Rajasthan to the northeast side and Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu to the south. Its neighboring states are Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. आपको पता है यहाँ पर कौन सा सी लगता है? Arabian Sea. Cities are well connected with the roads. You can find buses, car, auto rickshaw, bicycles on the road. But one thing which is new to you that you can see here in the places situated far from the city, or in other words to the outer side, to the village side. Children, can you identify this picture? This is called Jugaad. In Gujarat, children go to school by Jugaad. It sounds like fut 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 when it runs. The front looks like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made of plank of wood. बच्चे आराम से इसमें बैठ कर के हर रोज़ स्कूल जाते हैं। बच्चों को भी बैठा कर के स्कूल लेके जाते हैं। तो आपको थोड़ा डिफरेंट लगा कि नहीं यहाँ पर? डू यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस बाय ट्रैवलिंग विद जुगाड़? वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट डू यू सी हियर? A big statue. This is the statue of Shri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, known for Statue of Unity. This statue is newly built and inauguration was done by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi ji. This statue is world tallest statue situated near Narmada River in Gujarat. See another picture of Jugaad. क्या आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं इसका फ्रंट साइड किस चीज़ का बना हुआ है? फ्रंट साइड इसका बना हुआ है मोटरसाइकिल का, और बैक पोर्शन, बैक वाला बना हुआ है किसी ऑटो का। तो दो तीन जो है व्हीकल्स को मिला कर के ये लोग जो है जुगाड़ को बनाते हैं, और इसमें जो है हर दिन बच्चे और बड़े लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं। दे मूव फ्रॉम वन साइड टू द अदर यूजिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. So children lives in villages or far from the city. They use jugaad to go to the school every day. Coming to the worksheet, can you identify this picture? Picture is on your right side and you have to write the name. What is it? It is jugaad. Next is, what sound does the jugaad make? You have to tell the sound of jugaad. It sounds like fut 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 fut. Next is, name the biggest statue in the world. You have to write Statue of Unity. Next is, name two neighboring states of Gujarat. In this you can give the name of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Children, what do you see here? Can you identify this picture? Yes, this is the picture of a bullock cart on which children are going to school. Children who live in the village, they go with the bullock cart. Every day they go to school, and when it is sunny or rainy, they use umbrella. This is a bullock cart, very common in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and in some other states. You can easily see bullock carts on the road. आपने अपने शहरों में भी इस तरह की बुलक कार्ट्स को देखा होगा, जिन्हें हम बैलगाड़ी भी कहते हैं। मगर शहरों में बैलगाड़ी का इस्तेमाल सामान लाने और ले जाने के लिए किया जाता है। मगर कुछ ऐसी जगह भी हैं जहां बच्चे स्कूल जाने के लिए इन बुलक कार्ट्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। जो प्लेसेस शहर से काफ़ी दूर पर होती हैं, और यू कैन से places situated far from the city, means here we are talking about the villages where modes of transport are limited. There people use such type of bullock carts. A cart run by the bull is called the bullock cart. Children go to school on bullock cart. As in their villages sometimes they don't have school, so to get the education they have to go to another big village or to the city for better education, so they go by bullock cart. क्या आप कभी इस तरह की बुलक कार्ट पर बैठे हैं? मज़ा आया होगा। ऐसे ही हॉर्स कार्ट भी होती है जो हॉर्स के द्वारा चलाई जाती है। हॉर्स कार्ट जो है आपने शहरों में भी देखा होगा। बुलक कार्ट एंड हॉर्स कार्ट आर कॉमन इन द सिटी. क्या आप बता सकते हैं बुलक कार्ट और हॉर्स कार्ट का प्रयोग और कहाँ कहाँ करते हैं? I am showing you this picture. You will get the idea. Another use of bullock cart and horse cart is to carry loads. With this picture, you will get more clear idea about this kind of mode of transport. Now coming to the worksheet, identify the picture and write the name. Two pictures are given here. You have to see the picture and write the name. First one is of bullock cart and second one is of horse cart. So in the given space you can write the names. Next is, have you seen bullock cart in your neighborhood? If you have seen, write yes. If not, you can write no. Next is, write the name of any two states where bullock cart is used to carry loads. You can write the name of any two states, and bullock cart, I think commonly it is used in every state. Next is, name any two animals which are used to carry loads. You will write the name of any two animals which are mainly used to carry the loads. Our last question is, have you ever got a chance to sit in a horse cart? If yes, write yes. If no, you can write no. Thank you.